Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how to do a passenger side outer door handle. It should be fairly easy. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
So right here, there's a little like plasticky rubber piton cover. I'll take my pocket screwdriver, try to pull it out of here. That's what it looks like. And that just covers this hole, which shows us right in here. There's an 8mm head screw. Okay. The other side, there should be a piece of plastic that holds this from spinning, but not so much. So I'm just going to use some locking pliers. See if I can get it on here. And you can use whatever you need to. Essentially, it's just to try to make it so this doesn't spin. Use my 8mm. There's the nut side. I'll grab my magnet just in case this wants to come off. There's our bolt. We'll set this aside. We're going to reuse this. Now we're going to grab our new handle and we'll continue. So right in here, there's a rod. That rod's what actually functions, pulls this cable and makes your door open. So I can pull it with my finger if I wanted to. And essentially, this would be my finger when I was doing that. You go to lift, pulls that rod, pulls this cable, unlatches the door. The way we're going to put this in is, as you can tell, it's got a little hooky-doo here and a little hooky-doo here. So we're going to come in all the way over here. Once we're all the way in, here we are. We're just going to slide her forward. Cool. We've got our second piece. What this piece actually does is it makes it so this handle can't come back and just come off. I mean, it doesn't really, it seems weird that it wouldn't be attached to this part, but it doesn't need to be. All it needs to be is in there, and so this handle can't come off, okay? So essentially, where the bolt is, that's gonna be considered the hooky-doo, because that's gonna come in and around right there. So get it like that, give it a bonk, 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 bonk. I've got my screw on my 8mm. Just gonna line it up. Nice and snug. Got our little tab here. Just going to press this in here, line it up, press it in. Easy peasy. We're just going to make sure that the door's in the unlocked position, and then we'll try it. Unlocked. Not bad.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.